We got a G35. This is a 2003. It's an old car, but you know, he has a really nice with the rims and the whole 9 yards. They already broke his window. They were trying to steal this car. Arm the alarm. We gave him a Clipper alarm. Arm it. It locks your doors. Disarm it. Unlocks your doors. If you hold this button down here, it pops your trunk. We'll give him the trunk release. Okay. And basically, if somebody tries to bust out the window, open any of the doors, the alarm will trip. It won't allow the car to start. Car won't start. Turn up the alarm. Crank right up. It's got that antenna over here that gives him the high range, you know, that he can the range that he can arm and disarm it from you know, basically a length of a football field. If you arm the alarm, it's gonna have the blue light here. Okay. All right, and you know, if somebody opens the door, fires off. You know, it's a very clean, simple, basic alarm. You didn't want to go all out on putting anything to, you know, to get an alert on the phone or GPS or anything. You know, he just wants just to protect the vehicle in case somebody tries to jack his rims or open the door or break the window. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the tires. You'll see the alarm's gonna trip. This alarm was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. The numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. This is a 2003 Q35. Thank you for watching this video.